Good afternoon, Putri. You mentioned that you had some matters to raise.
Good afternoon. Yes, I would like to present a proposal on behalf of the employees regarding transportation and working hours.
Transportation and working hours. Could you clarify the main issue?
Many employees face long commuting times, which affects punctuality and productivity.
Long commuting times. By saying that, maybe are you saying that this is becoming a common problem?
Yes, especially for employees who live far from the office.
How serious is this issue from the employee's perspective?
It causes fatigue and reduce motivation at work.
I see. What is the initial proposal from the employees?
We would like to propose either company provided transportation or transportation allowance.
There is a major request. Could you explain how this will help?
Mm, It would reduce commuting stress and improve attendance and morale.
You also mentioned working hours. Could you clarify that point?
Yes, we are proposing flexible working hours to allow employees better work-life balance.
Flexible hours? How would that work in practice?
Employees would still complete the required hours, but flexible start and end times.
If flexible hours are approved, how can we ensure productivity is maintained?
Performance can still be measured through targets and deadlines.
What if some departments are unable to adopt flexible hours?
Then flexible hours could be applied only to suitable roles as a child.
So, if I understand correctly, you are proposing transportation support and flexible hours to improve productivity, not to reduce accountability. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you for clarifying. I will bring this proposal to upper management for further discussion.
Okay, thank you, Miss Alia, for considering the employees' concern.
Welcome.
Thank